Hello, in this video I want to show you how to quickly transfer any type of a file from your iPhone to Samsung Galaxy A73 series. And to do this, we need to download the same app on both of the devices, so open a Google Play Store on your Android and App Store on your iPhone. Here look for Send Anywhere app, File Transfer, and click Install on both of the devices. When it's ready, open it and allow all of the access and accept to all of the terms. And here allow access to all photos to have basically access to all of them. So yeah, close the window. Okay. So now when it's ready, we can begin sending files. So right here, go for Receive tab, and right here we want to be in the Send tab. Select each file that you want to send. You can select anything. There's photos, videos, contacts, and files. I'm gonna pick a few photos like that, maybe one video. Sorry, I played it, I didn't want to do that. And yeah, let's reopen the app. Again, let's select the same amount of photos and let's go for videos, and here you need to press on this circle instead of the video itself. There's also contacts, and I'm gonna pick this one, and files. So again, when you're ready with all of the files, go for Send. You should see this code as well as the QR code and share link. I'm gonna go for the code, enter it in the pool right here, and click on Receive. Now it's important to allow this to actually transfer the files. You can see the progress. If there's a lot of files, it will take longer, but now it's done, and we can click on a pack. Here you can see all of the things that we've received. You can add the contact by clicking on it and then import to the phone or Google if you like. There's also photos and videos. Let's compare the photos, and as you can see, it's the same quality, nothing changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.